Sometimes you just need to get out. Get into your truck and get away from the world. It was a tough week. I felt tired and burned out, so that's what I did. I got on top of a mountain and looked out over the world. My name's Sean, and this is the story till now. Brought to you in part by Epic Adventure Outfitters.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you're having a great week. My week was a little bit stressful, a little bit hectic, and I just needed to get out, go wheeling, get my mind off things. So that's what I did. You guys have been asking, where's the big red 4Runner? Well, it's back. Braun's been doing some repairs on it and he got it all done, so he wanted to go for a shakedown run. So that's what we did. No crazy landslides, no body damage, nothing too crazy. We just went out, hit up a mountain, one of our favorite spots, hit some trails, got up high, got up to a viewpoint, and just, you know, chill out a little bit, enjoy the weekend. Sometimes you need to just do a little bit of a chill run and take it easy, and that's what we did. So I hope you guys like this. Before we get right into the video, here's KC250 with a message about our new merchandise.
So what should be my next mod? Bigger tires? More lift? Nope. It's this awesome key tag, available now at dirtyanddangerous.com.
Thanks, Casey. The key tags are available right now at dirtyanddangerous.com. We still have stickers available. Go get them. Everything's 10 bucks. Thanks for all the support, guys. We're coming up on 40,000 subscribers. That's insane. The road to 100,000 is on. Thank you, guys. It means so much to me, all of your support this year. It's been crazy. Let's get on with the video. The Black Cherry is back.
Oh yeah.
We're just gonna be doing a shakedown run on Braun's truck after all the repairs today. See how it goes when it's in four-wheel drive.
Some new RCVs, Burfields.
New Burfs.
Something about being on the trail. It just clears your head. It's relaxing, even though sometimes intense. The last time we were here, the mountain was covered in snow and it was pretty sketchy. Spring has definitely arrived, but there's still lots of mud holes to play in too.
in your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sounds. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far, holding your breath still. You jump the fire, we'll just sit and wait till look at them now, all of the noise they make, counting the cards to one, Queen of Hearts never breaks. Falling asleep, here might just take a while, trying not to grind your teeth, dreaming to touch my style. Well, can't say I blame you, trying to come close to, but all you can do.
I just came up this random trail. It's pretty steep. Got up here and there's this creepy shelter. It's creepy. It's pretty high up, eh?
We figured we'd try and get a little higher still. I love when you get back to some of your favorite off-road spots and keep finding new trails to explore. We ended up completely lost and just kept going up and up. Eventually we hit a dead end, but when we turned around, we realized we could see all the way to the ocean.
That is a pretty crazy view.
And then we kept going higher and higher up. Now this is a cool spot.
We made it to the top of the mountain. Now we're gonna look and see if we can find a way back down without going back down the way we came. Guys, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Stickers are available at dirtyanddangerous.com. We'll be back on Monday with another episode.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. You don't want to miss what we're going to do next week. While you're here, click on one of the thumbnails and check out one of our previous adventures.